Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations exercise number 1, question number 4. So very interesting question. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So here we know that speed is nothing but distance by time. Time is nothing but distance by speed. So now let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Speed I am taking x kilometer per hour. Okay, distance he given, that is nothing but 480 kilometer. Okay, first you find the time, how much time it will take to reach 480 kilometer with a speed of x kilometer per hour. So that is t is equal to, so time is nothing but distance by speed, so 480 plus x. Okay, time is equal to 480 by x. This will give you the time. So let it be equation number 1. In the question he was saying that if the speed is reduced by 8 kilometer per hour, so that is initial speed is x kilometer, now new speed is x minus 8 kilometer per hour. So now here if the speed is reduced, the time is increased, so that is time is nothing but t plus 3. New time is t plus 3, that is equal to distance is same, distance is 480, speed is nothing but x minus 8 kilometer. So now here what I am getting finally, t plus 3 is equal to 480 by x minus 8, x minus 8. So now here what is t? T is nothing but 480 by x plus 3 is equal to 480 by x minus 8. Now you send this one to right side, so that is 3 is equal to 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x. So in these two you take 480 common, remaining is 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x. Okay, now here simplify this. Okay, here the LCM is x minus 8 into x, just cross multiply, here x minus of x minus 8. Okay, this is 3 times 480, x minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, this is x into x, x square minus 8x plus x minus x is going to cancel. So 480 into 8 by x square minus 8x. Okay, now here so this is 3 is equal to 480 into 8 by x square minus 8x. So just you do cross multiplication, 3 times x square minus 8x, that is equal to 480 into 8. So here 3 it is in multiplication, it goes to division, x square minus 8x is equal to 480 into 8 by 3. 3 1 time 3, 3 6 18, 160. That is equal to 160 into 8. How much? Multiply these two. 8 into 0 is 0. 8 6 are 48. 4 8 ones are 8 plus 4 is 12. 1280. X square minus 8x, bring it to left side, equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is the standard form. So therefore it is a quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Join in my Telegram group. Link is given in the description.